This is a short welcome video to the students taking the distance learning course, Intro to Law. I first want to just introduce myself very briefly. My name is Richard Collins. I've been on the paralegal faculty for a number of years. In fact, I was one of the founding members way back when. I also, for those years, and actually before I started my teaching career at ECC, I have been actively engaged in the practice of law. So I hope, if nothing else, I have a little bit of experience where I can be helpful in pointing out different observations I have when we work our way through the content of the course. And of course, the course is an overview first of the American legal system, and then secondly, we'll be looking at some specific areas of the law, for example, contracts and torts, right, whatever that means. But what I would want you to do is, by the time you see this video, I'll have it up, take a look at the syllabus. I think it would be useful to print it out. And since this is a distance learning course, we won't be together face-to-face. Of course, many of us are sort of used to this distance now because of the way we had to work together during the pandemic when we were all remote, it seemed. But if you need to communicate with me, we're going to be using the Brightspace platform for the material. But if you need to communicate with me, simply send me an email. You don't have to go through, and please don't go through Brightspace. Just send it to me at my college email address, collins@ecc.edu, collins@ecc.edu. I check my email all the time, and will be giving you a quick response. As we go along, if we think we need to discuss something that we cannot do effectively by email, by all means, we'll set up a phone call, or if your schedule permits, we could certainly get together at the college. But I want you to feel that we can communicate as much as we need to communicate for any individual concerns that you might have. I think I'm going to stop at this point. I just wanted to kind of get this video up. Again, please look at the syllabus. And the way the course is going to run, I will have material posted, which will consist of notes, or if you will, textual material. I'll have links up to bring other material to your attention. And what I will also do is put screenshots of the notes up and record lectures over them. I like that because neither you nor I then have to deal with really looking at me, just have to deal with my voice. But very seriously, I think this should be an interesting course, and I'm looking very much forward to working with you. Thank you.